Hi, this is Tony Sagami. Hey, the news has been dominated lately about the swine flu outbreak in Mexico and spreading to the U.S. Let me tell you a little bit about how that affects China and how that might have some investment implications for you and I. First of all, the swine flu epidemic has pretty much been limited to North America. It is starting to spread a little bit. As a matter of fact, on Friday morning, the very first case of swine flu was reported in Hong Kong, but just one. And for the most part, it seems to be pretty limited in North America. Now, for the way that I think you should take a look at this as far as Asia is that, remember the SARS outbreak a few years ago? China and the rest of its Asian neighbors are very prepared for any kind of flu-type epidemic like this. They have millions of vaccination strains already in stock that can help inoculate their people. They've taken exceptionally strong actions already. As a matter of fact, they've banned pork imports from both the U.S. and Mexico. And so they're already taking those very proactive actions to make sure it's not an issue. So they're much more better prepared to handle this than we are in the United States, I believe. And also from an investment standpoint, there's a couple stocks you should take a look at. One would be Zhongping Pork. The ticker on that is HOGS, H-O-G-S. It's the largest producer of pork in China. And, pork is a big deal in China. Approximately half of the world's pigs live in China, 450 million. Pork is a very important staple, so that stock has gotten hammered lately. It's the largest producer of pork in China, and so as it gets hammered a little more, it's probably going to become a very attractive opportunity because it is one of the few meat producers in China that has those sanitary conditions already in place, so it's probably the safest place to buy your meat, and the Chinese people realize that. The second stock you should take a look at is Sinovac, and the ticker on that is SVA. That is the largest flu vaccination vendor in China. It's approved by the government. They already got approval to move forward on the swine flu vaccine. And so if it does get to be a problem in China, Sinovac could make millions. And so that's one you should take a look at. That's bumped up a little bit now because of the swine flu outbreak. But I think it'll settle down a little bit, and as it does, that could be another one to take a look at. So every time you read about these possible disasters or problems, there's always seeds of opportunity too. And Zhongping Pork, ticker HOGS, and Sinovac, ticker SVA, are two that you should take a look at. This is Tony Sagami signing off.